Hey everyone, it's Jennifer Elizabeth with Perry Picolos Vlogs. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today's video is part of a collab that is hosted by Kimmy's Kitchen and More, and the collab is called #new2me. So new, the number 2, and me. And I thought this would be a perfect opportunity for me to share with you some new items that I found at Dollar Tree. And I am super excited, first of all, that I was able to get my hands on them, and second of all, that I can share them with you because they are so adorable. Look at these beautiful new crafting felt bunny rabbits that they have at Dollar Tree, and they are gingham. How cute are they? They have purple, they have blue, and they have pink. They are just so cute. You get 6 in each one, and you get 6 in each pack, and I'm actually going to take them out and show them to you. And then after that, I actually want to share with you something else that is new to me. We have a new pet, and I'm going to reveal that new pet to you in just a moment. So stick around for that because he is super cute, and we're really excited to welcome him to our family. So we have this right here. These guys are adorable. Like, they're so cute. So they have felt on the back. So this would be totally easy to attach to an Easter basket, to use in a junk journal, to use in friend mail. Super thin, so you could easily send that in an envelope. But I just think that they are so adorable and cute. So I wanted to share that with you. If you see these at Dollar Tree, definitely grab them. They're totally worth it. So many uses for this, and they're just so cute. I don't know if there's a 4th color or not, but these are the only colors that I saw. So yeah, let me know what you think about these adorable new felt fabric gingham bunnies. I think they're adorable. I think that they're gonna fly off the shelf. So if you see them, definitely grab them. And now let me tell you about our newest pet. Okay, here he is. This is our newest pet. His name is Saturn. As you can see, he is a male betta. Absolutely gorgeous. I love his coloring. He has black, a really deep blue, and then the gold fins. Very similar to a mustard gas betta. I had one before. Some of you who've been with me for a while probably saw Onyx. But yeah, I just think that this betta is so stunning and so gorgeous. And of course, we named him Saturn after a planet. And he is our newest friend. He has been here with us for about 2 weeks now. He seems very healthy. He has a couple of Cory catfish in his tank with him, and he is currently the 3rd betta that we have in our house. We have another one, a crown tail named Spike, and then we have another male betta who is named Io. But he has a very nice tank here filled with a lot of natural plants. Really pretty decor. We got him a betta log right there that he can go ahead and swim in if he likes to. Another live plant. But yeah, that is our newest pet, our newest friend, Saturn, and hopefully he will be with us for a very long time. Okay guys, I hope that you liked Saturn. I think he's really cute. He's very sweet, especially when he opens up his fins and just reveals that gorgeous gold. It's so pretty. I think he's really cool. I'm hoping that he's going to be with us for a long time. With bettas, you just never know, but I'm so glad that we rescued him out of a cup. He's no longer in a cup. He's not being kept in a tiny bowl. He has a 5.5 gallon aquarium to himself that he's just sharing with a couple of catfish. So super excited about him, and let me know what you guys think about him. Thank you so much, Kimmy, for hosting this collab. I think it is super cute. Again, it's Kimmy's Kitchen and More. I have a link to her channel down below. The collab is called #new2me. You upload on Thursdays, and you simply share something that is new that you purchased or that was given to you or that you came across. All the details are in her videos as well. Check out the hashtag so you can see everyone else's videos. Show them some love, and definitely go to Kimmy's channel and show her some love as well. And with all that being said, please don't forget to comment down below, like this video, hit that subscribe button and the post notification bell so you know next time I upload and every time I upload. Have a wonderful day. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.